Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to cutepolish. In our last Polygel video, April and I reviewed the MAKARTT Polygel Nail Kit, which is the #1 Polygel kit on Amazon. We'll have a link to it for you guys in the description box below. So just as a quick overview, the Polygel kit came with everything you needed to DIY your own polygel nail extensions at home. If you've never tried polygel before, essentially you just prep your nails, add polygel to a dual form, press it over your nail, cure it under a nail lamp, and then pop off the dual form to reveal your new nail. If you'd like to watch our full tutorial on this, click the link in the top right corner. So this new nail technology is a hybrid of both gel and acrylic, and it makes it quite easy to achieve a gorgeous set of nail extensions at home. And when it's applied properly, they stay on your nails until you're ready to take them off. So we showed you guys in our last video what they looked like after 2 weeks, and then we proceeded to show you how to remove them. However, we had a ton of comments from you guys asking if these nails can be filled instead of removed and reapplied each time. Now this is a totally legit and practical question, because if you'd like to keep them on for a long time, a refill is the way to go. So yes, thankfully you can fill polygel nails, just like you can acrylics. So today we're going to show you how to do it using the same products as last time from the MAKARTT Polygel Nail Kit. So here's an example of what a polygel nail would look like after about 3 weeks of growth. So guys, it's really in need of a fill at this point. So to begin, use a nail file to make your natural nail matte. And also be sure to remove some of the polygel near the bottom where it meets the natural nail. The reason you need to file down some of the polygel is because you want a nice, smooth transition where we'll be filling in the new nail growth with polygel. Once you've buffed the natural nail and filed away some of the polygel, wipe the nail with rubbing alcohol to remove any dust and debris. Now it's time for the base gel. Apply this onto your natural nail with a little bit of it overlapping your polygel. Then cure it under a nail lamp. Now it's important to get the nice shape and curve of the polygel here for your nail. So take out your polygel and squeeze out a little and cut it off. Now this time we're going to apply the polygel directly to the nail without using a dual form like we did last time. Next, for a slip solution, we're going to be using rubbing alcohol. Saturate your brush with the rubbing alcohol and then use it to press and form the polygel onto your nail. Concentrate most of it where your new nail growth is and thinly spread the rest of it up your nail like so. Once you're happy with the fill, go ahead and cure it under a nail lamp to harden it. Wipe your nail with rubbing alcohol to remove the sticky layer, and you are ready to both smooth out any bumps or irregularities with a file. This is also a great time to reshape and remove any extra length from your nail. Here, April decided to change her nail shape from almond over to coffin. Once you're happy with the nail, remove any dust and debris again by using rubbing alcohol, and then apply a layer of top coat over your newly filled polygel nail. Don't forget to cure it. Now your polygel nails are as good as new again. If you'd like, you can go ahead and add some cuticle oil to your nails. Again, if you're interested in checking out this MAKARTT Polygel Kit from Amazon, we'll link it for you guys in the description box below. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you're interested in watching more awesome nail tutorials here on cutepolish, click these boxes. To subscribe for a new video every week, click on this circle, and don't forget to go subscribe to April's personal nail channel by clicking this circle right here. Take care, and we'll see you next time!